Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Armor in Crimson Desert. First things first, head over to this side of the map. The armor is hidden inside the Sanctum of Devotion, just to the west of the word Dew Haven. The first time you go here, there will be a bunch of enemies that you need to clear out or you'll get interrupted. Now from where we're standing, you'll see a secret wall on the very top part of the entrance. Climb up to that wall, place yourself on either side of the secret wall, hold resist, then do a force palm. The wall should rotate and force you inside the room with the treasure containing the armor. This armor comes with 13 defense, 6 points of defensive abyss gear, a 2% increase to stamina regen, and on its 4th level of reinforcement. These are my favorite armor set in the game once you've collected all 4 pieces of equipment. Unfortunately, if you're looking for the boots, this set only comes in 4 pieces of equipment, and even the boss, where the set came from, is wearing a different boots. And that is how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Armor in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.